Hello everyone, in today's science experiment we are going to test if a lemon can float. The items you will need is a lemon, a bowl full of water. First, make sure you have adult supervision because you will need to cut the lemon in the activity. So first step, we are going to put the lemon in the water and push it down to see if it'll sink. As you can tell, it is floating. Throughout this activity, I will be answering questions that go with this project. So the first question is, what if you chopped the lemon into smaller pieces, which is what we are going to do to see if it will float. So we're going to take our big lemon out, and I have the lemon cut into 4 pieces, and we're going to put them in and see if they float. As you can tell, they still float, and this is due to the outside skin barrier. So I'm going to take these out. And for our next step, we will be removing the outside skin from the lemon. So first I'm going to use just the skins and put it in. And as you can see, the skins are floating. But this leaves us with the pulp from the inside of the lemon. So we're going to put that in, and as you can tell, when you put them in, they start to sink lower into the water. So the third question is, why do you think when the skin is removed and there's just the pulp and the skin, that the pulp starts to sink lower than the lemon? I believe this is due to the removal of the skin. Since the lemon is less dense, there is less weight in the lemon from the lemon since you remove the pulp. This will cause the lemon to be lighter and sink to the bottom since the dense skin is floating to the top. So the next question is, why do lemons float? And that is, as I said, due to the skin. The thick skin holds air bubbles, and so this allows it to float up since it is more dense. The final question is, why do objects float? And as I've mentioned throughout this presentation, it is due to density. So if the item is more dense in the inside, then it'll be lighter and cause it to float. And then the last question is, what grade level would this target and what form of science? So this would target 3rd grade, and this would be more of a physical science learning since they are learning about density throughout this activity.